What do these?
Well, news reaching us right now is that the Council of Governors, led by their chairperson, Honorable Anwar Guru, are currently addressing the press, weighing in on the contentious Finance Bill 2024 conversation that has crossed over now in Nairobi. Live and listening.
Regard, we call upon WASREB and the Ministry of Water to immediately suspend the public participation process until all constitutional and statutory concerns are addressed. Number 5, on the universal health care. We have just also concluded a consultative meeting with the Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Health, to discuss the status of implementation of the Universal Health Coverage, UHC, and in this regard, we have agreed as follows: that the Ministry of Health will ensure that they transfer funds allocated to CHPs in the special purpose account opened by county governments commencing the financial year 2024-2025. Number 2, that the Ministry of Health shall support county governments in the rollout of comprehensive integrated health information system for facilitation of health service delivery. This will be done through the provision of requisite infrastructure for electricity and internet connectivity. Number 3, that the Ministry of Health shall cover all the costs pertaining to the rollout and maintenance of the integrated health information system. Number 4, that the Ministry of Health shall plug into the existing systems in counties in the execution of the health information system where that system exists in the counties. Number 5, that the Ministry of Health shall ensure that the 8 billion shillings owed to county facilities by the defunct National Health Insurance Fund will be paid even as we roll into the new SHA fund. Number 6, that the Ministry of Health, in collaboration with county governments, shall conduct a public campaign on the rollout of registration of citizens to the Social Health Authority. And number 7, that the county governments and the Ministry of Health shall have continuous engagement to ensure effective implementation of UHC. Signed, H.E. Anwegoro, Chairperson, Council of Governors. Thank you very much. On behalf of my colleagues.
Can I add something?
Yes. I'll ask my colleagues to add one thing or two.
Thank you. I want to just address myself on 2 issues that are related to what the chair has just talked about. First issue is on the issue of the disbursement of funds to counties. The monies that we owed, that is over 2 months. For every county, 2 months disbursement is equivalent to maybe 2 or 3 months salaries. And given the fact that recently we were on the spot from the ministry as having not paid debt for CAMSA, it will not be possible to settle those debts for CAMSA unless we get our full disbursement, because we have to make a hard choice between paying debt for CAMSA and paying salaries for the workers who are working in those hospitals. So it is critical for us to get the full disbursement of up to June for us to be able to pay monies that are owed to CAMSA and other suppliers, so that we can have money flowing in the economy of Kenya. Secondly, the issue of the transition from NHIF to SHA definitely is welcome. But the counties which operate public facilities are disadvantaged in terms of payment, or the monies that are owed to those public facilities by NHIF. Most of the payments went to the private sector, and most of the facilities in the public sector have not been paid. We are owed up to 8 billion by NHIF. So as we transition, we do not want to see a situation where the 8 billion becomes a pending bill for the public facilities. We urge the facilities that have not been paid for their debts to be settled by NHIF, and of course the need for them to be remunerated or given monies by the national government for them to do that. That is our ask. That is the only way we will transition to SHIF or SHA with a smooth transition, having no debt with county facilities not struggling. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Just a quick one. I do understand.
Well, we still follow up closely on the Finance Bill 2024 as it is one of the most trumpeted headlines right now. But Yoshihide Suga once said, a strong economy is the source of national strength. That is a food for thought. Coming up is Inside Sports. Stay with us. My name is Anki Doris Ombat.